Hey guys, Miranda here. Most of you may know me from the hit web series, Ghost Biker Explorations. But I'm here to talk about the VikingCycle women's cruise jacket. This jacket is awesome and I often wear it on my investigations and motorcycle rides. It has many pockets that you can use to store your devices in, everything from cell phones to sunglasses to wallets, or anything really that you would carry on a long ride. It has durable zippers on the front pockets as well as up the front of the jacket, and is made from genuine leather. The jacket has a vintage design with a little braided section down the front, just for that little feminine touch. To all my biker friends out there, I would recommend that you check out VikingCycle and their wide range of products. They have everything from women's and men's leathers to rain gear to luggage. So go check out their page at VikingCycles.com. And then if you like the paranormal and motorcycles, check me out at GhostBikerExplorations.com.